Quitting. Peter hated smoking. He hated that he could not control his habit. Peter had tried quitting before by gradually decreasing the number of cigarettes he smoked, but it hadn't worked. It's tough to quit. Most people who use tobacco products wish they didn't. Every year, about 70% of adult smokers say they want to quit. Of the 50% of all adult smokers who try to quit, only about 7% of them are successful. By age 18, about 2/3 of teens who smoke say they regret having started smoking. And about half of these teens will try to quit but fail. Still, that means that many teens do successfully quit. The younger a person is when they quit, the more that person's body can recover. Often, quitting takes several attempts. So why is quitting so difficult? Once tobacco users quit using tobacco, withdrawal begins. They get headaches, become dizzy, have trouble sleeping, and get depressed. Withdrawal symptoms make it difficult to stay tobacco-free. Even when withdrawal ends, many people still miss using tobacco. Some people crave tobacco products years after they've quit. But quitting has major health benefits even if the person is already sick with a smoking-related disease. Tools that can help. For years, there was little help for people who wanted to quit using tobacco. Today, there are many tools to help smokers quit. Listed below are some of the tools that can help people who want to stop smoking. Support groups and counseling programs can provide encouragement for people who want to quit using tobacco. Non-prescription nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT, is a safe medicine that delivers a small amount of nicotine to the body. Many withdrawal symptoms are caused by a lack of nicotine in the body, so NRT was developed to help ease the symptoms. Non-prescription NRT is available as nicotine gum and nicotine patches. Prescription NRT can also help a person quit smoking. The latest prescription nicotine replacement therapies are nicotine inhalers and nicotine nasal sprays. A regular exercise program has helped many people quit smoking because it helps the person focus on his or her health. It also takes the person's mind off of the unpleasant side effects of quitting smoking. Most of the prescription and non-prescription medicines available as aids to quit smoking or using tobacco have been tested only on adults, so teens under 18 should talk to their doctor. It is important for smokers to know what technique works for one person and it may not work for another person. Sometimes a combination of more than one method will work. For example, some people may use the nicotine patch while going to a support group. The nicotine patch can help with the physical addiction. The support group may help the person adjust mentally to not smoking. Anyone who really wants to quit will have to find the method that works best for him or her. Relaxing without tobacco. Hanging out with friends and enjoying life is much easier without tobacco. It's hard to relax and have fun when you know that you're breaking the law, becoming addicted to nicotine, and damaging your health as well as the health of others around you. Many everyday activities, such as playing sports, going to the movies, or shopping at the mall, become a hassle when you're a tobacco user. Smokers often have to worry about what they will do in situations in which they can't smoke. It is difficult to travel on trains, buses, or planes now that smoking has been banned on them. Tobacco users face disruptions in their everyday lives because they have to find a place and time to smoke so they won't have withdrawal symptoms. Being addicted to nicotine means that if you don't get your nicotine fix, you don't feel right. And that can be quite a problem. There are many times when you can't light up a cigarette or take a dip of snuff. Using Getting used to tobacco-free life means making some changes in your lifestyle. You have to learn how to relax without tobacco. Some people need to stay away from places where other people will be using tobacco. It's hard to stay tobacco-free when others around you are using tobacco, but over time, people find that they enjoy life more without tobacco. There is no more worrying about hiding your habit from your parents or figuring out when and where you can smoke. Finding healthy habits. Many teens are first offered tobacco during middle and high school. Many of these teens will try it, get hooked, and ultimately die because of it. Understanding the dangers of tobacco and being prepared to refuse tobacco are the best ways to ensure a healthy lifestyle. The lifestyle choices that you make now will affect your future health and happiness. Make the right decisions about diet, exercise, and caring for your body. It's never too early to start practicing healthy habits. There are many fun, healthy things you can do rather than use tobacco. A newfound feeling of physical health will come after the nicotine leaves your body, and you will also feel a well-deserved sense of accomplishment.